Have you ever wondered if you can use YouTrip, that handy little card for your overseas adventures, if you're not a local? Well, let's dive into that today. Imagine yourself strolling through the bustling streets of Tokyo, sipping on a matcha latte, or perhaps exploring the vibrant markets of Bangkok, bargaining for souvenirs. Wouldn't it be great to have a card that lets you make payments in the local currency without worrying about hidden fees or exchange rates? That's where YouTrip comes in. Can foreigners apply? Now, the million-dollar question, can foreigners actually apply for YouTrip? The short answer is, drumroll please, yes, they can. YouTrip is designed to cater to travelers from all over the globe. Benefits of YouTrip for foreigners. Multi-currency wallet. One of the biggest perks of YouTrip is its multi-currency wallet. This means you can hold and convert multiple currencies within the app, so you're always prepared for whatever destination you're heading to. No more stressing about currency exchange at the airport. No hidden fees. YouTrip is transparent about its fees. There are no hidden charges for currency conversion or foreign transaction fees. So, you can spend your money without worrying about getting ripped off. Cashback rewards. As a YouTrip user, you can earn cashback rewards on your spending. This is a great way to save a little extra money on your travels. Easy-to-use app. The YouTrip app is user-friendly and intuitive. You can easily track your spending, check your balance, and even lock your card if you lose it. How to apply? So, how do you actually apply for a YouTrip card? It's pretty straightforward. You can download the YouTrip app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up and verify your identity. Once your application is approved, you can order your physical card. Additional tips. Check eligibility. Before applying, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria set by YouTrip. This may vary depending on your country of residence. Currency conversion. While YouTrip offers multi-currency wallets, it's always a good idea to check the conversion rates before making a transaction. Sometimes, it might be more cost-effective to convert your currency beforehand. Customer support. If you have any questions or encounter issues, YouTrip's customer support team is always ready to assist you. In conclusion, YouTrip is a fantastic option for foreigners looking to simplify their travel experiences. With its multi-currency wallet, no hidden fees, cashback rewards, and easy-to-use app, it's a convenient and affordable way to manage your finances while exploring the world. So, if you're planning your next adventure, don't forget to consider YouTrip. It could be the key to a stress-free and enjoyable trip. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.